Hello, friends. And today's thought of the day is staying hydrated for better health, your daily dose of vitality. Let me ask you, raise your hand if you've ever felt tired by 2 p.m., struggled to concentrate during your afternoon classes or meetings, or wondered why your skin looks dull despite all those expensive face masks. Now, keep those hands up. Now, what if I told you that the solution to most of these problems isn't in your medicine cabinet or skincare routine, but right there in your kitchen tap? Today, we are talking about something so simple yet so powerful that it can transform your energy, mood, and overall health in just days. So, let's dive into the magic of staying hydrated. Now, think of your body as a beautiful plant. Now, what happens when you forget to water your favorite money plant or tulsi? It wills. The leaves lose their shine and eventually it struggles to survive. Now, your body works exactly the same way, except it's far more sophisticated. Now, here's a fact that might surprise you: 60% of your body is water, your brain, 75% water, your blood, 90% water. Now, when you are dehydrated, you're essentially asking your body to function like a smartphone on 10% battery. Possible, but definitely not optimal. And for teenage friends, during your growth spurts, your water needs are even higher. And for working women, juggling home, career, and family while being dehydrated is like trying to run a household with the power constantly flickering. So let me paint you a familiar picture. It's 6 a.m. and Priya, a college student in Delhi, wakes up. First thing, she reaches for her phone. Then, straight to the kitchen for her morning chai. Sounds familiar? Or take Sneha, a 35-year-old marketing professional and mother of two. She's rushing to pack lunch boxes, get the kids ready for school, and herself ready for work. And by the time she sits at her office desk at 10 a.m., she realizes she hasn't had a single sip of water since she woke up. So here's what happens next. By afternoon, Priya finds herself struggling to stay awake during the economics lecture, while Sneha experiences that familiar 3 p.m. energy crash and reaches for a third cup of coffee. But what if I told you that fatigue, brain fog, irritability, and even those afternoon cravings for namkeen or chocolate could all be your body's way of saying, I'm thirsty, not tired? So when you're dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker, making your heart work harder to pump. Now, this means less oxygen and nutrients reach your brain and muscles. Result, you feel exhausted, unfocused, and moody. So, here's something particularly relevant for your Indian lifestyle. We love our masala chai, filter coffee, and nibu pani, but we often forget that caffeinated drinks can actually contribute to dehydration. Now, that extra cup of chai might give you a temporary boost, but it's also making you lose more water. And for teenagers, dealing with academic pressure, and for women, managing multiple roles. Proper hydration is like having a natural mood stabilizer and energy booster. When you are well hydrated, your body can detoxify efficiently. Your skin glows naturally, and your mind stays sharp for those important presentations or exams. So now let's talk about creating your personal hydration revolution. Now, it starts the moment you wake up. So, first, morning ritual. Before reaching for your phone or that steaming cup of chai, drink 2 full glasses of water. Think of it as an internal shower for your organs, washing away the toxins accumulated overnight and kick-starting your metabolism. I know what you're thinking, but what about my morning tea ritual? Don't worry, we're not asking you to give up your beloved adrak chai or filter coffee. Just prioritize water first. And then the bottle strategy. Get yourself a beautiful water bottle. See, I have one too. One that makes you want to drink from it. Keep it visible, whether you're at your college desk, office workstation, or kitchen counter. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses throughout the day, but don't stress about counting. Instead, check your urine color. Pale yellow means you are on track. Then the smart swaps. Replace one of your evening cups of tea with coconut water, fresh lime water, or even plain water infused with mint and cucumber. Your body will thank you, and you might discover flavors you never knew you loved. And then the focus experiment. Here's something fascinating to try. For the next week, track how your focus and energy levels change with your water intake. Many students report better concentration during study sessions, while working women notice improved patience and clarity during hectic days. Now, let me share a beautiful truth with you. Water just doesn't hydrate your body, it hydrates your life. When you are properly hydrated, you're not just preventing headache or fatigue, you're creating space for your best self to emerge. Your skin glows with natural radiance that no highlighter can replicate. Your mind becomes clearer, more creative, more resilient. Think about the most vibrant, energetic person you know. I guarantee there's someone who takes care of the basic needs, including hydration, and they understand that self care isn't being selfish. It's the foundation that allows them to show up fully for everyone they love. So, here's your call to action. Your mission for the next 7 days. 1. Start tomorrow morning with 2 glasses of water before anything else. Second, carry your water bottle everywhere and make it your constant companion. And number 3, notice and journal how hydration affects your mood, energy, and focus. Remember, every time you choose water, you're choosing vitality. Every sip is an investment in your energy, your clarity, and your overall well being. And let me tell you, your body is your home for life. Water it well and watch yourself bloom. And with that thought, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you.